Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll show you how to create a report which captures all of your open opportunities so that you can have a look at your pipeline in terms of numbers, like the number of deals or the number of opportunities which have been generated, and in terms of dollar value as well. So what is the total open deals dollar amount? So let's dive into it. I will go to reporting. I'll create report, select custom report, and then next. Over here, because I'm creating something which is related to deals, my primary source over here would be deals. Click on next. So now I have the custom report UI in front of me. What I'll do is I'll go to filters, and because these are open deals, I'll filter it out by deal stage to ensure that we do not have any closed deals over here. So is none of, closed lost, and closed one. Okay. I'll apply this now. So this means that only those deals will enter into our report which are open, and none of them have either been marked as closed won or closed lost. And now I'll click on configure. Now over here, in terms of numbers, what we can do is if you want a month on month report over here, what I'll do is under the x-axis, I'll put in the close date, and in the y-axis, I'll put in the number of count of deals. Just drag it over here. You give it time to load. And now if you see, so this is a demo account. So there could be some abnormalities when it comes to the numbers. But like you see, it will generate a proper report wherein it will show me the number of open opportunities I have month on month. Now this can be changed to week on week as well. So this is monthly. If you want a weekly number, you can select weekly and apply. And it will show you the same report, but it will break it into weeks. So that is for the number of deals. And if you want a dollar amount associated with those deals, what I'll do is I'll just remove the count deals and I will put in the amount field. So what this will do is it will give me it'll give me the reports in terms of numbers. So I have the number values associated, and if I just again change this to monthly, it'll show me on a month on month basis how many open deals I have. That is the opportunities which can be closed. So yeah, this is how you do it. This is extremely helpful for salespeople to understand how their pipeline looks like in terms of numbers as well as in terms of dollar value. Hope this helps. Thank you.